So you'll notice when you have a glass window, again, a glass window is optional. You can get a regular window. There's gonna be a little gap here all the way at the top. And what that gap does is it acts as an air wash system. So air is entering in. Basically what it does is it creates an airflow around the glass. It keeps the glass clean when the fire's going. So you don't get a bunch of soot, ash kind of build up on your glass window.
Now we're going to talk about cleaning your glass window.
So during operation, your glass window may develop soot. The reason for this is because of low temperature inside of the stove. So if you tend to run your stove a lot cooler, you may develop soot. It's not a big deal. It's easy to remove. All you do is grab a paper towel or 5 and wipe them out, just get them damp. You don't want it super wet, otherwise it'll just get sloppy. Again, this stove has completely cooled. You don't want to do this on a hot stove. You don't want to get burned, and you also don't want to light your paper towel on fire. So just get it a little damp. Dip it in your coal and your ash, and then just go ahead and wipe it off. Now this may take a couple times of doing this, just getting that abrasive edge on that paper towel with that coal, that hot ash, that cold ash. Just wiping it clean. And you're just going to do this until all of the soot's removed.